Okay,
With the
then
paint, buddy.
the side is right here to the left.
I gotta fix it though. It's chunky. You gotta even it out, Papa.
It's not chunky. It's not. It's not even that
Okay.
chunky.
Okay.
That sounds. Oh, I meant chunky. Chunky. That sounds like the word chunky. Dad Josh watches it.
Gosh, watch. Don't paint the window. How are they supposed to see out the window?
But I don't. And I may paint the windows instead.
Okay, you can paint it.
Okay. Am I gonna be fired or no?
Why would I fire you, kid? Are you concentrating?
Yeah. And that sounds like mayonnaise. And more.
Put it in. Squeeze it. Fill it up. Yep. More. Like that.
Okay.
Good job.
Do paint dry enough?
You have to put it next to the fan so it dries.
Okay. The lights are looking awesome.
Yeah.
That sounds like tomato. Hey.
Almost done. Let's turn it this way. Yeah, paint that side too, buddy.
Oh, the sides are looking yellow.
You done?
I'm gonna work in another day,
Okay.
I guess.
Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Say peace.
Peace. I meant peace.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe and peace.